Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if your Botim app is stuck on connecting during calls, don't worry, I've got a quick and easy solution that actually works. Let's fix the Botim call connecting issue in just a few steps. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and check your internet. A weak or unstable internet connection is usually the main reason calls don't connect. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or try restarting your Wi-Fi router. Also use a VPN if Botim is restricted in your country. After that, go ahead and simply open up your settings application, scroll below, then tap on apps. Inside apps, simply search for Botim. And inside here, you want to go ahead and simply make sure background app refresh is toggled on. Now, after you do that, you want to go ahead and simply hit back to settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, search for Botim, and then tap onto it. Go ahead and tap on upload app, then tap on upload app again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the storage used by the app and will also help you to clear the cache. So once you have done that, go ahead and simply tap on reinstall the app. So after that, open up your app store and then inside here search for Botim. Once you search for it, if you see update instead of open, you want to go ahead and simply tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. So once you have done that, head back to your home screen and you can go ahead and simply turn off your data saver or battery saver. Battery or data saving mode can block Botim from connecting properly. So disable battery saver or low data mode. And that's it guys, your Botim call should now connect without any issue. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.